Does it say anything?
Orientation is locked.
Come sit back with this. Say hi, we're live. Explain what's happening.
What? Hey guys, we're live. We have our little Papa Budgie feeding his kids. Look at him. So adorable. He rapid eats. Look, quickly, in the blink of an eye. And look at the cute little babies just in the corner.
Dad is rapid eating. They are looking at their dad.
Yeah. And now Stuart's about to feed his kids.
No? Like it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's so
Look, they're cleaning each other. They're looking at their dad.
because they love their Papa.
See, they don't know yet solid. About 30 days they know.
Yeah.
They're not even trying because they know Papa here. That's beautiful, Papa. You can do a highlight.
Highlight.
It says after 59 seconds. Is it recorded? Oh. And what does it say? Welcome. See, God, around busy.
Look at the babies.
Yeah, babies, and there is a daddy. Oh, they're trying. They're trying. Yay!
Look, puppies is trying.
Come and go, so don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh. Make sure they don't fall. If fall fine, nothing will happen.
Yep. Look at the cute little babies. And look at cute little Stuart. Isn't he a good boy? Look at them. Look at the babies.
Look, he's eating. They are cool. Stuart, he's eating. And the baby's crying for Baba. What? No. No one come here, please. No one come here, please. No one go there, please. Stuart, I love you. شو حلو هذا Stuart. شنو هذا? The mother hid the kids. She doesn't want them anymore. When they were 20 days old, now we look after them. And the dad, oh, Jesus, come on, the shot. Come on, Stuart. يلا أبو Stuart, وكلهم. الأم ضربتهم. No. Go to Baba. No. Baba, please. الأم بتوكلهم. The mama feeding them. الأب يوكلهم. Daddy's feeding them. Daddy حبيبي. He's eating rapidly. ياكل سريع حتى يخلي اللقمة ببطنهم. He's feeding them fast so he can feed them. Come on, Stuart, please.
Stuart, our 6-year-old budgie is always...
Excuse me. This is my medicine. هاي كلها أدويتي وغراض ولانش بوكس. Sorry, Stuart, Bobby. Sorry. No. Stuart, please feed them. They are very naughty.
Will they ever be fed? Find out
Stuart
soon.
حبيبي على كيفك يما. أعطي لها ماي. I'll give him water. Stuart, ماي.
Look at them.
Water, Stuart. Such a good dad.
Excuse me.
Such a good dad. No, wait. Excuse me. Sorry, Stuart. I'm not خوف. I don't want to scare him. It's okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if he'll feed them.
Stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.